Okay, we have a Bast padlock, stainless steel with the interchangeable core. That's the keyway for it. I don't have a key for this. I got this one from Norseman lockpicker a few days ago, and I've been playing around with it, and I picked it a couple of times to the operating share line. I haven't got it to control, but I thought we'd try to pick it one more time. Just fix it in the vise. Like that, maybe. And I will try top of the keyway like that, and also because of the paracentric keyway, it's very difficult to get a 32 thousandths or even a 25 thousandths in that one. So 15 thousandths Sparrows Euro hook. So let's try it. And it's a 7-pin core, so that's interesting. Makes this a bit more challenging, of course. Come on. Okay. Okay, that's number 3, 2, one click on number 2, and number 1 seems solid. Very light tension. 7 and 6, 5, click, 4, 3, 2, and 1, 7, 6, That was number 2. Clicked one more time. Six, 4, 3, 7, 6, 5. Whoa, there we go. It was number 5. So I got it open once more. This is the 3rd time I got it to the operating share line. And again, from Norseman lockpicker, who sent me this very nice padlock. I've been wanting to try the IC course for quite a while, and finally I got around to do that. So Norseman lockpicker, thank you very much for the lock, and the other locks you sent me, I will be working on those as well. Okay, and to all of you watching, thank you for watching, and see you.